Hi, my fellow investor. So my 22nd week of investing in M1 Finance is over. So I'm here to give you guys an update. For you guys who are new to my channel, welcome to my M1 Finance dividend investing portfolio. My pie consists of 80% stocks, 10% real estate, and 5% bonds. So over the past 3 or 4 weeks, my bonds used to be 10%, but before the beginning of my 22nd week, I changed it to 5%. That's why you see this. I haven't rebalanced it yet. The reason why I reduced investing into bonds is that because I simply wanted to invest more money in my stocks. So that's why I changed it to 5%. This week, I invested $200 on Sunday and then $500 on Wednesday. Alright, let's see how I did on my 22nd week of investing on M1 Finance. First, let's go to my stocks, which consists 80% of my pie. Okay, let's go to my industrial, which consists 15% of my stocks slice. Alright, so this week, Lockheed Martin, I gained $2.47, which is up 2.02%. Caterpillar, I gained $2.65, which is 2.37%. Honeywell Incorporation, I gained $3.72, which is up 3.77%. So Honeywell, this is my new addition to my industrial stocks. General Dynamics Group, I gained $5.11, which is up 5.58%. UPS, I gained $7.24, which is up 8.52%. Raytheon Technology, I gained $7.63, which is up 13.20%. Waste Management, I gained $1.76, which is up 2.85%. So I added Honeywell this week, but I sold my Boeing stocks because I already have it on my Robinhood account. So as you guys can see, Raytheon Technologies performed well this week, which I got 13.20% return. So all my stocks and my industrial performed well this week. I got no losers, so that's a really good thing. For this week, my industrial gained $40.28, which is up 6.49%. My earned dividend is $1.90. Let's go to consumer defensive, which consists 15% of my stocks slice. Costco, I gained $2.03, which is up 0.90%. PepsiCo, I lost $6.45, which is down 3.87%. Procter & Gamble, I'm down $2.30, which is 1.75%. Walmart, I lost $1.80, which is 1.37%. I only have Costco as my winner this week. So my consumer defensive loss this week, I lost $8.52, which is down 1.30%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my technology, which consists 15% of my stocks slice. Nvidia, I gained $11.98, which is up 6.30%. Cisco, I gained $2.08, which is up 1.38%. IBM, I gained $1.40, which is up 0.95%. Skyworks, I gained $13.12, which is up 11.04%. Microsoft, my new addition for this week, I lost 34 cents, which is down 0.61%. My best performer for this week is Skyworks with a whopping return of 11.04%. For this week, my technology gained $28.24, which is up 4.45%. My earned dividends is 99 cents. Let's go to my consumer cyclical, which is 10% of my stocks slice. For this week, McDonald's, I gained $9.58, which is up 5.99%. Home Depot, I gained $1.71, which is up 1.03%. Lowe's, I gained $3.58, which is up 7%. Nike's, I gained $3.05, which is up 6.16%. The highest return for this week is Lowe's. All of my stocks and my consumer cyclical won this week. For this week, my consumer cyclical gained $17.92, which is 4.20% return. I did not earn any dividends. So as you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for last. Now let's go to finance, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. Visa, I gained $3.88, which is up 3.68%. Goldman Sachs, I gained $4.46, which is up 4.28%. American Express, I gained $6.69, which is up 8.14%. JP Morgan, I gained $3.07, which is up 3.67%. Royal Bank of Canada, I lost 18 cents, which is down 0.43%. 18 cents is not a bad loss for this week. And of course, my highest return is American Express, which is 8%. For this week, my finance, I gained $17.92, which is up 4.29%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my healthcare, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Johnson & Johnson, I lost $7.44, which is down 2.84%. United Health Group, I lost 69 cents, which is 0.40%. So none of my stocks won this week from my healthcare. I lost $8.13, which is 1.86% down. My earned dividends is $3.79. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Utilities, it consists 5% of my stocks slice. Nextra Energy, I gained $2.35, which is up 2.59%. Duke Energy, I gained $1.42, which is up 2.22%. WEC Energy, I gained 45 cents, which is up 0.76%. So all my stocks won this week from utilities. I gained $4.22. The return is 1.97%, and I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my energy, which consists 5% of my stocks slice. This week, Chevron, I gained $3.15, which is up 2.14%. Magellan Midstream Partners, I gained $3.35, which is up 5.42%. My energy this week, I gained $6.50, which is up 3.11%. My earned dividends is $1.92. Let's go to my communication, which consists 5% of my stocks slice. Woo, they all lost this week. All right, Verizon, I lost $1.38, which is 1.28%. Activision Blizzard, I lost 62 cents, which is 1.13%. NetEase Incorporated, I lost 45 cents, which is 0.84%. For this week, my communication lost $2.45, which is not bad. The return is down 1.13%, and I did not earn any dividends. Alright, now let's go to the last 10% of my stocks slice, which is the no dividend. This is mainly a dividend investing portfolio, but I added this because I'm very interested with these growth stocks. I want to see how much I can make from these stocks in the long run. For this week, Tesla, I gained $1.60, which is 1.92%. Tesla has been kind of stagnant this past week, so I wasn't expecting much earning. Amazon, I gained 60 cents, which is up 0.73%. Shopify, I gained $6.32, which is up 11.41%. Google, I gained $1.79, which is up 2.84%. I used to have the other Google stocks, but I sold it since I've been minimizing my portfolio. So I decided to just keep this one Google stock. I added Facebook this week though. Okay, Facebook, I gained $3.77, which is up 8.63%. Netflix, I lost $2.53, which is down 6.02%. Illumina, I gained $1.17, which is up 5.72%. Dexcom, I lost 63 cents, which is down 2.77%. So my no dividends are pretty much a win this week, except Netflix and Dexcom. For this week, my no dividend gained $13.70, which is up 3.19%. So as you guys can see, this week performed pretty well. My biggest gain is industrial, which is $40.28 with a return of 6.49%. All my only losers are consumer defensive, healthcare, and communication. For this week, my stocks slice, I gained $109.68, which is 2.58% return. My earned dividends is $8.60. This is not bad. $100 is a pretty good money, pretty good earn for this week. Alright, now let's go to my real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. It looks like a win for all of them. American Tower, I gained $10.65, which is up 5.92%. Public Storage, I gained $8.73, which is up 5.81%. Digital Realty Trust, I gained $5.13, which is up 4.04%. Well Tower, I gained $9.49, which is a whopping gain of 19.33%. Wow, so my realty this week finally won. It's been losing this past 3 weeks. For my real estate, I gained $34, which is 6.72% return. My earned dividends is 74 cents. Now let's go to my last 5% of my pie, which is bonds. Here in my bond, I only have Vanguard Total Bond Market, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna add any more in the future. But let's see how the Vanguard Total Bond Market performed this week. I gained $1.71, which is 0.34%. My bonds this week is still a win. Alright, so as you can see, my stocks, real estate, and bonds pretty much won this week. It's a good investing week this week. Alright, so for my moneymaker this week, I gained $145.39, which is 2.76% return. My earned dividends is $9.34. So that's it for this week, guys. You guys take care, and of course, keep investing. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andrres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.